Story drop.
Hello and welcome to Storytime with Miss Bethany. I'm Miss Bethany. I work at the Beaverton City Library, and today we're going to do a fun activity based on the book We're Going on a Bear Hunt by Michael Rosen. Can you participate along with me in this activity? I need everybody to stand up at home, and we're going to start with a march. Good job. March, march. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not afraid. Are you? Oh, look up ahead. There's some tall grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We'll have to go through it. Can you go through the tall grass? All right, good job. Let's keep marching. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not afraid. Are you? Oh, look up ahead. There's some sticky mud. We can't go around it. We'll have to go through it. Here we go. Everybody go through the sticky mud. Oh, good job. All right, let's keep going. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not afraid. Are you? Oh, look, a river. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We'll have to swim through it. Everybody ready? Here we go. Oh, we made it. All right, everybody dry off like a dog. Good job. All right, let's keep going. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not afraid. Are you? Oh, look, a tall tree. We could go around it, but let's climb up it. Here we go. Climb up the tree. Whoa, look at that view. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ouch. Okay, let's keep going. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not afraid. Are you? Everybody stop. Look up ahead. Do you see that? It's a cave. Do you think there might be a bear in there? Should we check? Okay, be really quiet. Tiptoe into the cave. Look over there. It's a bear! Run! Everybody run! Out of the cave! Out of the cave! Keep running! Keep running! Go up the tall tree! Down the other side! Keep running! Keep running! There's the river! Swim across! Okay, keep going! Keep going! We're really wet, but that's okay. Keep going! Oh, sticky mud! Okay, keep running, keep running. Oh, there's the tall grass. Go through the tall grass. Okay, keep running. We're almost home. There's the house up ahead. Okay, open up the door. Shut it behind you. Oh, whew. That was a close one. I wasn't afraid. Were you? That was a good bear hunt, everybody. Thanks for going along with me. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.